Hello there. Welcome to my first YouTube video. Today I am riding to Corfe Castle. I think that's how you say it. I've got a new camera, so I thought, why not give it a go and make a first YouTube video. I had a lot of fun making it, to be honest. I've never done any editing or anything before, so it's all new to me. It's good fun, and I hope to film more of my fun adventures. For those of you who don't know Corfe Castle, it's on the south coast. I think it's in Dorset, but it's just like a castle on a hill. Pretty cool. A bit spooky. But I've just bought a drone as well, and I've never flown a drone before, so I thought, why not give it a go? But as you'll see at the end of the video, I need to really lean to learn how to fly it, because it was quite scary once it was up there and I couldn't get it back down again. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm using an app called Moto. I like the winding feature for navigation. You get all of the fun, twisty, winding roads. You stay off the motorways as well, so that's always a plus.
What the fuck? That's mad. That's so cool.
The UK really does have some nice roads, but you know how to find them. In case you're wondering, I'm riding a Triumph Scrambler 1200 XE. Love riding through all these little country villages. They probably hate me though. Straight through pipes on the Triumph.
Look at that. Corfe Castle. Cool.
Always got to say hello to the motorcyclists. There she is. Corfe Castle. Castle on a hill. Now, full disclosure, I should have tried it out in a field beforehand, and I was too scared to get too close in case I couldn't get it back again. Next time, I'm all over it. I learned so much from filming this trip and using the drone and even doing the editing now. Anyway, thanks for sticking around. Hope you've enjoyed the video. I doubt anyone's going to see it, but if you do, give me a like or a comment. That'd be cool. Or a dislike. Actually don't do that. But definitely leave a comment. If you have any constructive criticisms, let me know. And if you're watching this, Mum, look, Mum, I'm on TV. So cinematic. thanks for watching my first YouTube video. I don't know what to say, I just wanted to add this bit on the end.